Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the batteries out in your Flash Power Mop. You're going to need two AA batteries and they're located just in here. So you can see a little arrow pointing upwards, so just grab this area and just lift it up like so, and this whole section comes out and your batteries are located just here. You can see one side has a spring. So take them out the opposite side from the spring. So you're taking them out on the positive sides. And we're going to be putting them in negative side first, which is the spring. So negative side there and positive side there. There's a little marking just here that says positive and a marking here that says negative. And again, negative side in here and positive side here. You're going to slide it in with this on here and it just goes into that area there and push it all the way down. Now when you press the lever at the top, you will hear the pump working again. So that's it, that's how to change the batteries on your Flash Power Mop. Thanks for watching.